This is the Kakheti region of Georgia, a land where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Known as the birthplace of wine, Kakheti is a treasure trove of lush vineyards, ancient monasteries, and scenic landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. This region is a haven for wine enthusiasts and history buffs alike, offering a rich tapestry of traditions and tales that date back thousands of years. Amidst this captivating region lies Signagi, often called the City of Love. Perched atop a hill overlooking the vast Alazani Valley and the majestic Caucasus Mountains, Signagi is a picturesque town that exudes romance and charm. Its narrow cobblestone streets, colourful houses with ornate wooden balconies and stunning views make it a perfect destination for adventure and a touch of magic. Signagi has a rich history, can be traced back to the 18th century when it was founded as a bustling trading centre. Sitting atop a hill, the town's strategic location provided a natural defence bolstered by the construction of its remarkable city walls, showcasing its commitment to protection and security. Signagi is one of the few cities in Georgia that has preserved its city wall. Stretching over 4 kilometres, this wall is punctuated by 23 watchtowers, offering breathtaking views of the Alazani Valley. These are the 6 things you must not miss during your stay in Signagi. Number 1. The Sighnaghi Museum. The museum, located at Sighnaghi municipality, was established in 1947. It is Georgia's first high-standard museum and exhibits archaeology, ethnography, and medieval expositions. The museum houses 60,000 stored items, including household and cultic articles dating from the Stone Age to the 1st century BC. It also features diverse ethnographic materials, musical instruments, weapons, vestments, and items reflecting the region's lifestyle. The medieval exposition showcases samples of city life from the 4th to 18th century from various settlements in eastern Iberia. Additionally, the museum exhibits 16 paintings by Niko Pirosmani, born in Kakheti's village of Mirzani. Number 2. Signagi Fortress. When you visit, you can take advantage of the opportunity to walk along the city wall. The watchtowers offer breathtaking panoramic views, the perfect backdrop for memorable photos. Signagi Fortress, located in Kakheti and adjacent to the city of Signagi, is best visited all year round. The fortress, dating back to the 18th century, spans approximately 40 hectares and stretches 4 kilometers. Historians are divided on whether Erekli II originally built it or if he only renovated it. The fortress played a crucial defensive role in Georgia's internal and external affairs, especially during attacks by adversaries such as Leki and Osmal Kizilbahes. The fortress features a rugged layout, adapted to the hilly terrain, with 23 towers distributed along its perimeter, each named after the villagers who participated in their construction. During enemy invasions, the towers shelter the builders and their families who defended the village. The round towers are topped with battlements, and one of the towers houses the St. Stephen Church. The fortress has 6 entrances, each with large arches. Its walls have 2 tiers, the lower tier measuring 1.5 meters wide and the upper tier 70-80 centimeters. A pathway for warriors is located between the tiers. The fortress is primarily constructed of large cobblestones with occasional use of bricks. Number 3. The Signagi Wedding House. Elegantly perched on a hilltop, the wedding house offers an enchanting setting for couples to exchange their vows, irrespective of the time or season. Its timeless allure and picturesque surroundings make it a coveted destination for those seeking to celebrate their love in an idyllic setting. The rich history of the wedding house adds an extra layer of allure. Dating back to the early 19th century, this historical monument has been impeccably preserved, serving as a testament to the town's enduring legacy. Following Signagi's restoration in 2007, the town's appeal has blossomed, captivating the hearts of locals and visitors worldwide. The wedding house stands as a crowning jewel, drawing in couples and tourists alike, all eager to bask in the magic of this captivating location. Number 4. Bodbe Monastery of St. Nino. A short drive from Signagi takes you to the Bodbe Monastery of St. Nino. This sacred site is dedicated to St. Nino, who converted Georgia to Christianity in the 4th century. The monastery, surrounded by lush gardens, offers a peaceful retreat and stunning views. Bodbe Monastery of St. Nino and Episcopacy is located in Kakheti, 2 kilometers from Signagi. According to legend, it was built at the burial place of St. Nino. Georgian kings paid great attention to the Bodbe Monastery, which has been repeatedly repaired and restored. In the 17th and 18th centuries, scribes such as Zachariah Bodbeli, Onofre Bodbeli, Ioane Georgiadze, David Bodbeli, and Ioane Makashvili were associated with the monastery. In 1837, Bodbe Monastery was abolished, but it later became a church for believers. In 1889, the Bodbe Mothers Monastery was opened with a teaching school and an artistic department. The complex includes a monument of Georgian architecture, a 3-nave basilica with 3 apsides. Although it has significantly changed over time and been plastered inside and out, its initial architectural shapes belong to an earlier feudal age. The footprints of 17th and 19th century restorations are still apparent. According to an inscription, the church was thoroughly repaired and painted in the 1820s by Metropolitan Signagi and Kiziki Ioane Makashvili. Number 5. Wandering through the streets of Signagi. When visiting the charming town of Signagi, one of the best ways to fully experience its unique atmosphere is by taking a relaxed walk along its cobblestone streets. As you wander, you'll be surrounded by captivating boutiques showcasing local crafts, inviting cafes where you can savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and quaint traditional houses adorned with vibrant, flower-filled balconies that add a splash of color to the picturesque surroundings. Number 6. Pheasant's Tears Winery. Various spots like Pheasant's Tears Winery, local markets, and the Alazani River. Take advantage of it to Pheasant's Tears Winery for an authentic wine tasting experience. Explore the local markets for handcrafted souvenirs and hike down to the Alazani River if you're up for more adventure. Signagi is a town captivated by its romance, history, and natural beauty. Whether you're here for the wine, the views, or the love, it's a place that promises unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe for more travel adventures.